Businesses are rapidly producing immense amounts of data, which means executives are facing a nuanced struggle, asking themselves, how do I make sense of it all? Streamlined reporting and analysis just aren't enough. These complex data production systems don't come with robust reporting tools. Plus, with more data sources than ever, finding insights across data sets is like finding a needle in a haystack. That's where ZoneReporting comes in. ZoneReporting offers a consolidated reporting platform with pre-built Power BI solutions for NetSuite, Salesforce, and more. After years of working with hundreds of businesses running NetSuite and Salesforce, our team specifically developed ZoneReporting to deliver actionable insights from reporting data. ZoneReporting features include a reporting tool with all of your NetSuite or Salesforce data and unlimited joins, dozens of executive-level pre-built Power BI reports that refresh automatically to provide actionable insight, a single company-wide reporting platform that consolidates your data sources, and the ability to help you answer tough business questions that you can't get from a spreadsheet. ZoneReporting delivers all of this in a 3-step process. First, it reconstructs and reconciles all of your ERP data from NetSuite or Salesforce. Then, it extends the data with dozens of pre-built reports that reconcile every penny back to its source. From there, it leverages over 350 pre-built connectors to integrate all of your additional key data sources, such as Google Analytics and Google Ads. Within just 2 weeks, you can be up and running with ZoneReporting, and you'll see immediate value on day one. So are you ready for better reporting? Join over 100 successful companies and visit zoneandco.com today to see what you can do with ZoneReporting.